Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I will show you how you can do such a horizontal stitch effect in your work. I sometimes do this for hats when I'm finishing them. I often do such rows to make a nice visual effect. In different colors it can also look pretty great and it makes your work a bit more sturdy, which is also a really big plus when working with projects. So I wanted to show you this today, and for that you see that I'm here at the round beginning, and now from here before the beginning I'll take a new stitch out of the stitch under the first one, so like this. One more time, this is the first stitch through this one, and I go through, take the loop out, then we do the first stitch in knit stitch, take the new loop onto the left needle, take the right needle out and go through again. Then we will do the loop in knit stitch and the following stitch as well. Then go again through here and take the stitch out of the needle and put it again on. Then do again this stitch and the following stitch. Then take the left needle and go through here. Then carefully take the stitch off of the needle. And go again through. Then a knit stitch and the following as well knitwise. Again, left needle through, leave one out and continue. And then you do the knit stitch and another knit stitch. Again, left needle through, leave one out and continue. And then you do the knit stitch and another knit stitch. Again, left needle through, leave one out and continue. And you just continue like this. With my finger, I am holding the stitch so that it doesn't fall apart when I pull the needle out for that brief moment. So you just gotta be very careful. Now we are changing the needle, and I'll take the loop over to the other needle so that I can have this loop as my first stitch on the needle. Then do the following stitch in knit stitch, take the loop again and continue. and the 2 knit stitches, and then just continue. So the same way as before. So after a couple of these, you shouldn't have any issues with it. And you get a really nice visual effect, so the hard work really pays off in the end. I'll show you the needle change one more time. So finish the knit stitch and take onto the left needle. And transfer it back to the new needle. And there we go. Then you just continue the same way as you did so far. This is what it looks like then. You see it already. And now I'll finish the whole round and I'll show you how to finish a row and how to continue. So I'm almost at the end. Just as you always would. Now here is our loop that we need to lessen by since we took it out for this row specifically. So put it onto the needle and do the first stitch through the needle. So pull it through and cast it off. And then you can continue. I was doing the ribbed pattern, so you can continue that way or however you did it. Here you see the trace of the work, but it's really a minimal trace. So that's basically the whole deal. How often you want to do it is pretty much up to you. So you can do it really one after another, or you can do it after an X number of rows. So plan this ahead. That's always a good idea. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!